Hey guys, welcome back to the garden. I want to talk to you about this bed. First of all, I really love it. This is last year we made, or the year before, last year I think we made a potato bed in seaweed and we had 0 potatoes. I'll put a link in the description below and you can sort of follow those couple of videos where I'm talking about how to make that bed and the results of the potatoes. And so this year I thought I will just add some compost on top and then I will plant lots of other things. And I forgot that now this year it looks like the potatoes are really thriving and I have been sowing lots and lots and lots of other things. But this bed really makes me laugh, and this is why I want to make this video, because this bed, the story of this bed will tell you everything about the truth about how I really garden. It's it's a mess. So you can see that actually there are so many potatoes growing, and that would probably be an okay thing if it wasn't for the fact that I have been sowing lots of other things that I really want in this bed. So we've got, oh my god, well, what have we got? We've got these black poppies. I mean, you need black poppies in this bed. And I've also got, this is, the black poppies is for beauty. I mean, that's always first on the list. And then I've got these amazing, it's an amazing crop. I really love it. This is tree spinach, and this grows to be like 1.5 meters tall. We eat it all summer. I do love it. And I see there's a tomato. I don't know how that got here, but I'm leaving it because just to see what happens and what else. So this sort of half shaded bit is a special variety of potatoes that I put here last year and we didn't harvest. So all the tiny potatoes that were not large enough to harvest, of course, are now sprouting and thriving. It really looks like they're happy. But in here I also have a lot of tiny amaranth seeds that I just spread this early spring, and I love these. These also grow to be like 1 meter tall, and they have amazing seed heads that are like a foxtail growing. We call them rævehale or in Danish. So I've got 2 different varieties of that in this bed, along with the potatoes, which is like messy, of course. And then I planted some flowers in the middle because I thought, why not? And then I've got this tropaleum. This is like flower cress. What are they called? Nasturtiums, of course. Tallerkensmækker in Danish. And then I have lots of chard. I mean, I think I just took a handful of seeds and did like this, and now I have 100 plants of chard, and they really seem to love it here. And then I also spread a lot of spinach seeds, and they also seem to love it here along with the potatoes. So in a moment we'll have lots of spinach, but I think I'm going to get rid of some of these potato plants because of course I can't dig them out if I still want to harvest all of this. And then I also put a lot of calendulas. Oh, it's a mess. So this happens every time I have it. It looks like I have some bare soil. I just put stuff in it and I plant and I sow, and it's a mess, and I love it. And I also hate myself sometimes because it's so disorganized in a way. But what can I say? I know it's going to be amazingly beautiful and lush and all of that, but it's probably not going to be optimizing the amount of produce that we could get from a space like this. But it'll be fun and it'll be wild, and we can harvest for a long time, I think, for at least a couple of months from this bed, maybe more. So that's the process. And I think, ooh, there's so much space here, let me spread a bit of this and a bit of that. And then I also find that I have been buying some seeds that I don't have space for, and they also end up in this bed, completely disorganized and beautiful. And I have tried many times to be more organized, but it seems like I'm not able to plant in rows, and I'm not able to have one thing in one place. So hence this mix of 10 different things in in this bed. I love it, and we will have a look at it again when the season progresses. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.